Hello, I am very passionate about this topic and I feel people have to learn how to respond assertively when they are disrespected. Nobody comes to work to be yelled at, called names or belittled. It is unfortunate, but many people stay quiet because they are afraid that they will lose their job when they say something. Don't be one of them. Disrespect can come in many forms such as gossip, threats or intimidation, silent treatment, and language with profanity. Today I want to focus on aggressive people who bully others to get results as quickly as possible, even though this is a very short-sighted approach. The most important rule for you to remember is that when you learn to stand up for yourself, bullies will learn very quickly that you aren't an easy target and they will approach you in a different way. Here are a few ways on how you can respond to disrespect in an assertive manner. Number 1. I'm sure it isn't your intention to demolish my self-worth, but I would appreciate if you change your tone. Number 2. If you continue to yell at me, I'm going to leave the room. Number 3. I cannot continue this conversation because I don't feel comfortable with how you speak to me. Number 4. This way of discussing the problem isn't working for me. Number 5. Let's pause this conversation and return when we are in a different emotional state. Please know that the only way to win an argument with a highly emotional person is not to play. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.